Probably. What is this? Level 12 tower. What? Why is he? Huh. Is this bait or? Why would he just play that? Okay. I should have known. Everybody's just playing that tonight. I should have known that, to be honest. Right? It's definitely a push here. Oh, for sure there's a push. This could be really good. With this too, to tank. That's a lot of damage. It's a lot of damage on the tower. Oh, spawn another one. Oh, okay. Good. Now log. Just keep up the pressure. He's back to his Mega Knight now, right? But if you just keep on like that, alright, cool. That's a lot of damage. I'm very happy with that. I do wonder what we'll do. I'm just gonna press in the back. And I've got Mighty Rider again for Mega Knights. Should I just go for prediction? I kinda want to. Oh, let's do it. Ready? Bang. Oh, one, like a couple of tiles back. I think that, yeah, there's still tower. For the Mega Knights. Ooh, okay. There's a book can hit. Ooh. Ouch. I think I should just use my skeleton. Ooh, okay. And then Berserker. Yeah, no, I'm in trouble a little bit. Alright, cool. Defended. Now I have my Evo Furnace, which is good. Then I think I have my Evo Cannon cycle too. Wait, what? He has drill? What? What does he have drill? Alright, okay, good log. Nice. Ooh. I feel like Evo Furnace pretty well is just kind of like 10 of it. Another one down. Ooh, definitely predictable. Alright, nice is dead. Let's go. Ooh, you got me. Alright, now I'm already back to my Evo Furnace. That's my next card. And these just pretty much take it out. Almost take it out. Just probably something just a little bit. Go down. Keep up the pressure. Nice, caught it. And skeletons too. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, I really like this drill deck. Riley made this one.